my koutou, ko Arlia ahau. I am Arlia.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, ko Talia ahau. I am Talia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rā Pire, the 18th of February.
Okay, let's start with te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Kainga, which is te reo for home.
As in, kei te Kainga ahau. I am at home.
That means homework, so let's get cracking.
Maybe not then.
Kainga, which is te reo for home.
Okay, on to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is high from 12 o'clock until 4 o'clock.
And very high from 1 o'clock until 3 o'clock. Kia ora.
And HI VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
School magazine team. Can the magazine team please meet Mr. Tucker in the group room at morning tea? Kia ora.
Rugby news. Midlands registrations night is this Friday from 4 p.m. at the club rooms. Please bring your subs.
House news. House leaders to the hall at playtime. Please, for a quick photo.
Okay, 2 birthdays at Winton School today, both in room 13.
Happy birthday to Jackie Kens and Vice President Mackenzie Hunter, both turning 12.
Rā whānau kia korua. Have a great day.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite a pōpō. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay classy, Winton School.